Hey guys, today I'm gonna be opening up these Pokemon Sun and Moon Guardian Rising pack. 3 additional game cards. I found it at my dollar store, so I decided to get them and see what they were like. So yeah, let's get started. I guess we're gonna start with this one. Okay, I'll just open it not in front of the camera. Okay, there you go. Now, let's see. Trubbish, Psychic Energy. That's it? Okay, wait. That's... Okay, and you know the card that has a code, so you can do it on the online thing? Here's what it has. Yeah. Strange. Wait, be right back. Just opening the door for my cat in case he wants to. Yeah. Okay. Opening the upper pack. Cardini, Stuffle, and Macho. Nice. Same info card as the last one. Next pack. Okay, so now Gumi. Woo! Versatile Lilligant. Altar of the Moon. And yeah. There's really nothing that exciting here. Well, at least not yet. You never know. I guess. Okay, now. Oops. Alolan Geodude. Ooh, Reverse Holo Slugoo. And Aqua Patch. Okay, last but not least, hopefully. Yeah. Let's see. Gothorita. Sharpedo. And Reaping Bell. Okay. So, I guess that's all for today. Yeah. Nothing that exciting. Just a bunch of Pokemon packs that I got at the dollar store. So, yeah. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. But only if you want to. And I'll see you guys next time.